Let's walk through the Hardware Quick Start Guide. To start using your recorder, you'll need a high-definition TV capable of displaying 720p, 1080p, or 4K video, a broadband internet connection, an Android or iOS mobile device to download the Swann security app. To ensure there was no damage in shipping, we recommend you connect everything and verify functionality before performing a permanent installation. Before installing the camera in its intended location, remove the battery. Then charge it with the included USB cable for about 2 hours. Next, remove the safety sticker and insert the battery until it clicks into place. You will hear 2 beeps. The cameras are pre-paired from the factory. Place the antenna vertically for best reception. Repeat for all the cameras. Next, connect the supplied Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on your power hub. Then connect the other end to a spare port on your router or Wi-Fi access point. If you're connecting via Wi-Fi, skip this step. Next, connect the mouse by plugging it into the USB port. Next, connect the included HDMI cable to the power hub. Then connect the other end to a display. Now, connect the 12-volt power adapter. Then connect the power adapter to an outlet. Next, remove the power hub's battery. Remove the safety sticker and insert the battery until it clicks into place. A red LED indicates charging, while a green LED indicates a full charge. In the event of a power outage, the battery provides backup power for up to 5 hours. You should now see the setup wizard on your display. Watch the next segment, Wizard Quick Start Guide, to configure your power hub.